Sliders. Sliding its way through the UI. Hold on a second. Let me enter my phone number. Right about here. Is this the one? No. Maybe this is the one. That's my phone number. But hey, haven't we all seen sliders before? You betcha. There's slider on this video to play it forward, to play it backward. Well, there's another slider to control the volume. Amazing. There's sliders all across the internet. Wow. So let's go ahead and create our own version in Blazor. Alright folks, it's time to get our hands dirty. Let's create a new component and name it slider. We start simple. Just add an input tag and type set to range. We need three properties: min, max, and value. Min is the start of the slider, max is the end of the slider, and the value represent current thumb position on the slider. Now bind these babies with our input tag. Voila! Let's add some CSS to the picture. Give a slider some width, height, and 70% opacity. Let's crank up the opacity to 100% when hover. Let's set appearance to none to get rid of default browser styling for the slider. Next, we have gradient background that shifts from green to gray as the slider moves along. This function calculates the position of the thumb on the slider. Until that position, the slider will be colored in green, and for the rest of the position, the slider will be colored in gray. And hey, there is no need to hide selected value from the UI. So go ahead and add the selected value. Time to call in a big guns, a parent component. Toss in a slider instance. Set the min, max, and the initial value of the slider, which I am setting it to be 50. The last thing which is remaining is to set value change property so that we can update this property dynamically. Just create a parameter and name it value change. Alright, I guess we are all set. So let's run this bad boy. Okay. Do you notice the value only updates when you let go of thumb? Let's fix that. Simply bind an on input event which will update the value on the fly. Also adding a border radius to make it look pretty. Let's save that. And there you have it. Making a slider in Blazor is as easy as making a pie. I'll see you in next one where we'll tackle something even more juicier. Thank you for watching. Ciao.